When making brownies, it's important to ensure they are baked just right to avoid dryness or raw batter. To determine when brownies are ready, start testing them 1 minute before the recommended baking time is up. Use a clean toothpick and insert it into the center of your pan of brownies. Check the toothpick to see if the batter clings to it when removed. If it's totally covered in batter, the brownies need more time in the oven. But if it's only very slightly coated with crumbs, this indicates the brownies are done. You can also check the sides of the pan. If you're aiming for fudgy brownies, make sure that the edges are firm and appear dry, while the center remains slightly soft. If you want chewy brownies, a slight crisp feeling on the top will let you know when the brownies are done. Look for light cracks or a shiny surface as additional indicators of doneness. Use an instant read thermometer to ensure a minimum internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 74 degrees Celsius. For the fudgiest brownies, remove them at this temperature. For chewy to cakey brownies, wait until the internal temperature is between 165 and 210 degrees Fahrenheit, 74 to 99 degrees Celsius.